In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your web page by incorporating custom text styles using HTML. We'll cover the process of logging into your page, editing it, and applying different font styles to specific parts of your text. So let's get started by logging into your web page account. Ensure you have your credentials ready. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your page that you'd like to edit. Typically, this involves clicking on the appropriate option in your dashboard to access the page editor. Now that you're in the page editor, the next step is to add a text block. This is an essential element for displaying text content on your page. Look for an option or button labeled Add Block or similar, and choose Text from the list of options. This will create a new text block where you can begin entering your content. With your text block ready, direct your attention to the text editor toolbar. Locate the icon that resembles this. This is often referred to as the code icon. Clicking on it will switch the text block to a code block, allowing you to input HTML and other code directly. Alternatively, if your page builder allows switching block types, you may do so and select code block from there. This step is crucial for applying customized styles because it gives you the flexibility to directly manipulate the styling of your content using code. Now that you're in the code block mode, you can proceed to enter your text along with inline styling tags. Let's say you want to display the words hello and world on the same line, but each with a distinct font. To achieve this, you'll use the tag in combination with inline style attributes. Here's how you can do it. Type the word hello, then wrap it in a tag and specify the font family you want, such as Georgia. It would look like this, hello. After that, you'll do the same for the word world, but this time set the font to Arial. You'd write it as world. Once you've entered the text with the font styles applied through these inline span tags, ensure to preview your changes. Most platform editors have a preview option that allows you to see how the final output would look without publishing it live just yet. Doing this is crucial to verify that the text displays as intended with the correct fonts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to add text with customized font styles to your web page. Remember, learning to control the appearance of your content precisely is invaluable for achieving the exact look and feel you desire for your website. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content like this.